Excellent. Hello, everyone. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2022. We are starting a new year, and I wish everyone to get success in your life. In this year, let us focus on the good things and we will grow with our dreams. Okay, all the dreams comes true. Okay, so in this lecture, what we are going to see in the Flutter, we will be creating a web view. Okay, so web view is a portion or is a part where we can load a particular web page into our application, which is already there. There is one website will be there. So that website we will be loading into our mobile app. Okay, so for that we will be having our you know we can have it in our mobile app. That's what the web view does. So to do that, first I will go to the pub.dev website and I will search for Flutter web view. Okay. So here we will be seeing this tool, right? This one we will take it. This is null safety, so it's better we can have it. There are a lot of other plugins which we will be having it. So right now we will be going with this plugin today, as I'm running on the date I am recording today. The 3.0 is the latest version. So I just copy this one to my clipboard. Then I will open it in the uh, code. Then I will go to pub.yml file and just I will paste it out here and I save that file and it will you know it will download that particular dependency package into our web app. Okay, so it is there. Then what I will do, I will just make a fresh run. So I just created a fresh web page, the default website which is having our template one. So that is ready there. So in addition to that, so once we created that, I'm trying to launch that application. So it will launch our page. So once the page get launched successfully, we will be, we can revamp our steps. So let us wait for that. And meanwhile, what are the things that we need? Let us go this website and we will see what is all there. So here we can get some examples how it is working, right? So this is how they will load it. They we can directly provide our HTML to load that, or if we have one particular URL, that particular URL we can load it out. So that way there are plenty of options is there. So whatever we need, that user agent related things, everything we can get it. So there are large set of actions we will be having it. So in this particular article, what we will see, just to load the web page. So the first and initial stage, so that we are going to look at in this particular um, video. Okay, fine. So it is getting ready now. The application is about to launch, so that's fine. And what I will do, I'll just do some cleanup work that we are having it in the basic app. So anyhow, we will be not using this particular home page widget. So we will be going to create our own page, the home page that we are doing it. So what I will do, just I will go and create. Okay, so Let's see. There are some issues running out. Okay. So as we start our project, we will be getting some error. Okay, it's fine. As a developer, we have to face the errors and we have to rectify it. That's what our life is all about, right? So as a beginning, we will be seeing this error. So I'm just looking on it, the error message that it's saying. So the actual error will be this one. Minimum SDK version 16 cannot be smaller than 19 as declared in the library. So if we see this particular Flutter WebView Flutter, right? So that does not allow the minimum SDK version. Okay, so that was the issue, I believe. So we will be looking on this particular file. So it is mentioned over here. As I'm just clicking on it, control plus click. So it will open this particular web page and minimum SDK version will be 19. Okay, so what is our minimum SDK version? Let's go and see. See, here it is. So this was the issue. So currently we have minimum SDK version is 16 and this particular plugin requires 19. So we will be making it 19. So which means below the 19th of Android edition will not work this particular feature. So so ideally what we will do, we will just ignoring this deep propagated parts of our our things. So okay, let's we have changed it now. So this is the one and we have changed it. So it's mentioned. So this is the best part of Flutter that we can see. So okay, so what I will do, I'll just save this one and I'll try to run it. Do not have Groovy. Okay, that's fine. Groovy is not there. It's okay. I'll just run it. So okay. So yes. So that Gradle and YML file that must have some extension to to view it. So for us, what we have to run that dart file. So I'm just trying to run the dart file from the page. So it is asking this one. So that's fine. So now Gradle started building that application. Let's wait for a while. Okay. So the application is getting launching now. That's fine. So once it is get loaded, we will verify it. Okay, it's fine. It's loading it now. So what I will do, I'll just go and create a new stateless widget that going to replace our home page. Right? This is the home page that we have. So we will be having it in our own home page. So stateless widget. Yeah. So this is the widget that we are going to create. I will just name it home page. Okay, so this particular home page we will be loading it. So for now what I will do, I'll just do it quick scaffold for that. So this particular thing will be will we make it as constant. So this flat button, so what I will do, I'll just go and add it here. That's it. And we can see our home page is there. That's fine. And I'll just remove this existing thing. So this is fine for now. And okay, so this flat button is depropagated. So in this case, what we will do, we will be make it as a elevated button. Elevated button, so that it will be visible to us. So this is fine. And the next one will be uh, another web view, stateless. We are going to here my web view. We can create it and the name of that. So here also we will do the same with this scaffold we are going to create it. So I'll just copy this particular stuff and just hold it here so that we can it will be more thing. So here in this particular body area, what we will do, we'll just do our do our stuff, the web view, right? Web view. So this particular thing is coming from our you know so this is the URL, init URL. So first what we will do, we will import this one, and then we will just init URL. So this particular URL, what I will do, I'll just make it https dot google dot com. Fine. Then we have JavaScript mode. That mode will be JavaScript mode unrestricted. Okay, so this is required, and for this web view, what we are going to do, we will go and create one controller so that we can control this with our customized options. So I will make it a completer web view controller, and I'm going to name it as a controller and completer completer. So we need to assign this one, right? On web view created. Whenever the web view is initiated, we have to pass this controller, right? Web view. controller, view controller, controller, controller dot complete. So this particular, so this is the controller that we have assigned it. So you just give it. So if you want to do any operations on top of this one, we can have it. So what I will do, I'll just go here and I'll mention it whenever I click this button. Okay, whenever I click on this button, I'll just do a navigator of the context, and I will just push a route. The route will be a material route. That is what we are going to do it. Material page route. Okay, and we are going to do a build context. So this is the context that we have received it. So we have to pass the same. And in this one, what we will do my web view. So we are going to pass our web view, right? So this is the one. So I think we have some error that we have to solve it. So yeah, so this is fine now. And what we have to do is now uh, we just click and we will see what is happening. Okay, so the web page that could not be loaded. Okay, fine. Why it is not loaded? Okay, so we will make it HTTPS. Then we will try. Yeah. So we successfully loaded our uh, you know our we configured our web view, right? So this is one. So what is the usage for this? I mean, what is the real use case? So here, we have a couple of cross domain or cross platform application side. So let's say I have one website and I have a about us page and contact us page, which is running on the web, and I'm creating on mobile application. So if I wanted to load or wanted to set it out, so just I can um, make it a one button, and I will just try to load that particular page that what I need, right? So this is how it is working. So I hope you liked it, and I'll try to make it youtube.com. Let's see whether it is working or not. Yes. So now it is working. That's fine. So we successfully loaded it. So we can set our title and URL. So this we can make it as a dynamic, and we will pass it to this particular thing, and we can we can do it our stuffs, like let's say here What I will do, I'll just create one more thing. Final final string title, page title, page title, final string URL, URL, right? So this title we can directly place it over here, and this is we can remove it this title, and the page URL will be we can do it this one. That's it. So we have to add these two parameters over particular this one. So this is the one required, and we will make it this one required. This is fine, and here we have to pass it. So what I will do, I will just pass um, YouTube, YouTube, and the URL will be https slash youtube.com, right? So I think this is because of page title, right? And page URL. Okay. So I think this one will resolve. We have to mention that particular property name. So open here YouTube, YouTube, and what I will do, I will do one more. We can. Uh, so here I will make it as a one column. Then I will do one more button. Open Google, and I will just go here and make it as Google, Google, and google.com. So we will be having two things. So if I click on it, it will come here YouTube, and it loads that YouTube page. Okay, this is fine. And if I open say open Google, and it will be opening it. So this is how it is working. So it is a very useful plugin when it comes to loading a particular page in it. So in addition to that, what we will be having it here on this particular thing. We will be having a lot of additional features. These are the additional features we can implement it, and we can pass our token, user token, and some resources, page load process, everything we can we can do it. So we can add our cookies if in case that particular website is required some cookies, so we can use we can pass that cookies as a required. So just review this one and let me know, guys, if you need any additional input on this particular web view. Please mention it in the comment section. So I'll try to provide some solution on that. So I hope you will like this video, and kindly subscribe to the channel, and pass it to your friends whoever requires these particular Flutter related stuffs, and it will help me to get motivated and do lot of new videos in upcoming days. So I have completely motivated to provide new videos on Flutter, and we will be having it a lot of new things in this particular year. So I hope everyone will be happy and growth by sharing our knowledge. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. Thank you.